everybody. My name is Denise Tan together with Chiqui Pablo, and we would like to welcome you all back to Aksyon TV, where you are still watching the Philippine Superliga Grand Prix. Nasa fourth set na nga tayo, and on your screen, we have Rhea de Maculangan to start off the fourth set. King Pit. Combination play goes to Usher, and Usher finding that open spot.
Ang ganda ng combination play niya, nakala mo ulit, she'll hit it really hard. And then, nakita niya sa zone 2, walang tao. So doon niya dinala yung bola.
April Hingpit, good serve. Balmaceda, better reception from her. Sorry, McClinton blocked and no coverage from RC Cola as that hits the line.
Yeah, yun yung sinasabi nga ni Coach Bill, kailangan may coverage for RC Cola. So let's see kung paano babawi si Balmaceda, who has been doing a good job.
Not to take anything from her,
yeah.
Not to anything from her.
Oh.
Hingpit also doing a good job from the service line. Let's see who she targets this time. Targets the outside of the guard. Goes outside.
Alam mo, akala ko siguro 1 inch lang yung linabas ng bola, no? Napakalapit sa linya.
Well, you know, at least pag nakikita naman natin yung mga ganong klaseng service mistakes, especially kapag kinakargahan ng power, you know that they're still trying to attack.
Right.
So, okay lang. Easy over for Signal, a chance for RC Cola. They go to Morales, but saved. Jonella will keep it alive. Usher get it over. And then Maculangan, again, combination play to Caballero, but Jonella was there. And nobody was expecting that one to attack from Mikmik Laborte.
Si Mikmik Laborte, paulit-ulit tayo, no? Walang power yung kanyang mga palo, pero naman yung placing.
Pero mautak.
Mautak.
Itong callball IQ ni Mikmik Laborte, tried and tested na to.
Oo. Kaya pinag-aagawan ko si Mikmik Laborte.
She's also a steady server as she gets that over. Caballero. Easy over once again from Signal. Di Maculangan was there. Block, no coverage.
I think si Balmaceda was ready for that. Kaya lang natamaan ni McClinton yung bola. Look at this replay. She goes up for that hit. It's blocked. Hits her hand, left hand. Kaya nawala na iba yung direksyon ng bola. Hindi na kuha si Balmaceda.
Michelle Laborte.
Laborte finds McClinton. Di Maculangan. Quick play to Morales. Nobody was there. Nakalusutan niya dito kay Anderson.
Kaya gusto ni Coach Bill na mag-setup, magkaroon ng good first ball para ma-setup yung middle. Kasi pag middle ang sinetup mo, hindi pa prepared. Chances are, hindi pa prepared yung floor defense ng kalaban.
What Tex Suter, Coach tuloy si Tex. What Tex Suter would always say, if you control the middle, you control the game.
That's right.
At that time, may control doon was Ariel Usher as she finds again that open area, open spot behind the blockers of RC Cola.
Ito pag si Ariel Usher, pag nag-tip over siya, ang lapit-lapit dun sa blockers, kaya parang pag ang bola, hirap kunin ang coverage.
Nahirapan din kunin ang bola. Nahirapan din si Rhea de Maculangan for reception. Yung Balmaceda.
So Signal is really doing a good job making it hard for RC Cola to get back on their feet and bring points.
Ariel Usher now has 21 attacks. Maculangan goes back to Morales with a little confusion. Hingpit now gives a chance to Mandapat, or Gallinero rather. Cases gets that through. Block. Maculangan goes back to Caballero. Dug up by Jonella. Quick play, Anderson. Saved. That ball is still alive. Morales blocked once again. Joust at the net. Jonella will set it up. They go back to Usher on the back line, but Joy Cases took her eyes off the ball, and that's something that you should never ever do.
Grabe yung bola yun. You know, when that hit the net, Joy Cases thought wala na. You know, ano na yun, it would fall in the side of Signal. Kaya nga, you know, she took the ball, she took her eyes off the ball, at sa harapan niya, tuloy nagland.
Ariel Usher now doing it for Signal.
Again, Ariel Usher does the same thing. The victim was again Joy Casas.
The victims are now the RC Cola as we go to the first technical timeout. Signal up 8-2. Ano yung sinabi kanina ni Mike Ortiz before the start of the game, kailangan talaga nila mag-usap at try to encourage everybody. Di Makulakan now goes back to Vallejo, the team captain, finally scores and stops the bleeding for RC Cola.
Medyo namimiss ko yung pagtira ni Linda Morales. Hindi siya masyado
maingay. Mainit back to the third set.
That's right.
Vallejo finds Usher. Higpit goes to Anderson. Block. Usher will keep that alive. Gallinero. They go back to the outside. Joy Casas heads it off the block. That is saved. Janela will tip that over. Or Makulangan running play. And finally, nabigyan dito si Linda Morales.
Napakaganda ng tira ni Linda Morales. It was sharp, the trajectory. Tingnan mo to. There goes that setup from Di Makulangan. Running hit. Ang ganda ng talon. Down the line hit. Right in front of Janela.
That's still alive. A chance now for RC Cola, but Higpit just too soft with that ball.
Bumawi ngayon si Casas. That was a point from her.
Vallejo serving for the third consecutive time. Finds Janela this time. Back attack from Usher. Dug up. Di Makulangan goes back to the outside. Down the line hit. Now goes to the punch for Ariel Usher.
Ngayon si Joy Casas, no, umiinit na siya because in the past conferences wherein we had the RC Raiders, talagang one of the scorers tong si Casas eh. Now, she's making her mind blown again.
Well, one name na gusto maalala ng lahat ng tao is Amanda Anderson as she scores another one for Signal.
Anderson, talagang ginagamit yung utak, hindi lahat ng tira dapat malakas.
Yes.
So that particular time, hinulog niya yung bola, quick point for them. Good serve from Vivas.
Makulangan again with a running play. With the Palace, just finding those open spots, finding the targets.
Tingnan si Di Makulangan, no? At first, hindi niya bibigyan si Linda Morales so that iisipin ng signal, hindi na to kay Linda Morales. Then suddenly, gives it to Linda Morales. Maganda yung timing ng calls niya ng plays.
Good target for Linda. Back to the hit. Oh! Confusion on the side of RC Cola.
Alam mo, kanina pa itong si Usher playing with the net. No, parang yun yata yung target niya ng bola eh. Para yung hulog ng bola, mas mahirap kunin.
That's actually very smart kasi kung magagaling sa block, attackers mo, yung RC Cola, mas mahirap talaga for them to get that first ball.
Right, sa pwesto, no? Mabubulit sa pwesto.
So wala din kahirap-hirap, binigay ng signal. Yung point again, back to RC Cola as Amanda Anderson serves it out.
And now for the goal, number 9, Joy Casas.
Casas targeting Mike Vivas. Janela goes to the outside, easy over, chance now for RC Cola. They go to the outside for McClinton. She was over everybody.
That was a good setup there from Di Makulangan. Good hit there from McClinton. Look at this replay. Good wind up there. Palo niya in between the blockers ng signal. Sabi nga ni McClinton, before coming to the Philippines, she played for China naman. At yung crowd sa China, mas madami, pero mas very warm ang crowd ng Philippines. So that's good to hear, right? Getting ready to serve for signal.
Number 13, Fritz Gallinero.
Good serve there.
Good coverage. RC Cola, they go back to Morales, but that does not go over the net.
Parang nanggigil din si Morales. Oh, umami naman siya. It was her fault.
And the Fighters up by 3 points, 30 Fritz.
Gallinero. Good serve from her. Di makulangan. Goes back to the outside. You know, Simon is very good with finding those open areas. May kita niya, butas na butas yung zone 1 sa likod.
Oo nga, yun yung kagandahan pag matangkad ka na player eh. Tapos hitter ka, tapos mataas ka pa tumalon. Ayan, no? Goes in between the blockers targets in zone 1. Good serve.
Hit. Goes to Usher. Dagang by Balmaceda. Di makulangan. Goes to the outside. McClinton. Junella was there. That's a lifting violation. Oh, rather, backhand. Yeah.
Oh,
Reaching violation. Good effort there from Di Makulangan.
yeah, she tried to save that ball kasi hindi maganda yung pagka-receive.
Good serve. And that is an easy over. Chance for Signal. Vivas gives it to Hingpit. Goes back to Usher. Dug up by Morales. And soft dink from Signal. An attack. Judy Caballero.
Smart play from
Yes.
Caballero. No, nakita niyo, butas ang zone 6. Eh, di dun mo na lang ilagay.
Alam mo yung mga ganong klaseng attack, it's very effective, especially for someone like Judy Caballero because no one will expect that. She's not even a setter, and that is a veteran setter.
There you go.
Usher. Nice twist of the wrist.
Kaya mahirap bantayan si Usher eh. Kasi kahit na ba yung shoulders niya, nababasa mo, yung galaw ng kamay niya eh, tsaka yung shoulder niya, yun yung hindi mo nababasa agad. Kailangan mabilis ang pick up mo sa bola niya.
Sir, dug up by Cases, Di Makulangan. To McClinton. Hingpit. Going back to Usher. That ball is still alive. Easy over by Balmaceda. Vivas picks it up. Chance for Anderson. But Balmaceda was there, so Di Makulangan goes back to McClinton. Down the line once again. Hingpit. We'll go back to Usher. And Usher again finds that open area. Cross-court hit. Effective for her.
You know, the blockers were there, but I think the blockers went up too early for Usher. Let's look at this replay. There goes that setup for Usher. They go up, pero nakalusot. Ang dinaan kasi ni Usher yung bola niya, syempre kay Caballero, who's a smaller blocker, and then targets zone 6.
Kulangan. I think that was a little confusion between Di Makulangan and Caballero kung anong klaseng set ba yung kanilang ipo-pull off. Then again, that would give us, or take us, the second technical timeout. Signal up by 5, 16-11. But now we will go back to our match. Nasa fourth set na nga tayo. Signal against RC Cola. Signal still up by 5, 16-11.
Relax na Signal. Sumasayaw-sayaw pa sina Usher to the beat eh.
Well, that goes outside, so more reasons for them to rejoice. But you know what? Speaking of pagsayaw, I actually saw a video that Jack Janela posted on Facebook because we were friends on Facebook. And it's so obvious that they're always having a good time. Yung video niya was like 5 minutes long. At sayaw lang sila ng sayaw.
Yun nga ang sabi ni Usher, the crazy close. Look at that.
And that was a crazy spike from Usher as well.
Sobrang ganda na naman ng parong yun. Look at this. Regalo kasi. There, that was a misreceive from Balmaceda and napakaganda. So, siyempre, tatanggapin ni Usher yun.
Coach Bill, napatawag ng timeout. Let's listen in.
FIVB Coaches Seminar, Level
Sabi ko
3.
naman, short ng angat naman kayo ng angat
October
dito.
19 to
Sumisigaw na
31,
ako dito sa labas.
2015. At the Arellano University Cooperation with Laro Volleyball ng Pilipinas sa Pilipinas Incorporated.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, let's go! Let's go!
RC Raiders that yung kailangan alam din nila kung sino yung nagsiserve. Alam nila kung paano mag-serve yung kalaban nila. And then the service so far, yung Signal, laging short. So yun yung sinasabi ni Coach Bill, kung short yung bola, bakit kayo adjust ng adjust? So you have to be able to adjust right away to the service. Bago yung bola umover sa net, dapat nabasa mo na siya.
So constant observation, dapat may kadugtong yan na adjustment. That's what RC Cola is lacking right now. Balmaceda. gives it to McClinton. That is still alive. Usher easy over. Di Makulangan will get it. Linda Morales still just adjusting to that ball, finding that area in the corner.
Linda Morales. For now is 12, serving 18. And serving.
Medyo malaki pa ngayon na ang lamang ng signal. Let's see what RC is going to do.
Di Makulangan will go back to Morales. Again, ano ba yung ganun shaking? Kasi maganda naman yung taas at maganda naman yung set ng bola. Masyadong bang gigil mo?
Oo eh. Ang basa ko masyadong gigil eh. Parang she just wants to hit that ball right away without waiting for, without thinking of the proper timing.
Let's see if makakabawi itong RC Cola, but they cannot do that without a good reception. Another ace, Ariel Usher.
Ariel Usher.
Cases. Higpit now goes to the quick play, but there's a net violation, and that will be called on Amanda Anderson.
I have to say, everybody in both teams, they're doing a good job. Yung floor movements nila. Ito lang, nananaig lang ngayon ang signal. Kasi gumaganda na mas lalo yung kanilang first ball kaya nakaka-set up ng plays.
Hindi Makulangan. Setting up Linda Morales, but was blocked. Higpit will now go to Gallinero. Di Makulangan goes to the outside. Joy Cases getting that through. Higpit was there though. And miscommunication between Vivas and Janela will cost them a point.
And just when I said gumaganda ang galaw ng signal, that happens.
Minsan nakaka-guilty pag nababati natin, nagkakamali itong ating mga players.
Well, much needed point din naman yun for RC Cola.
That was a
Good serve, yeah.
Usher, well read by Morales. They will go back to Gallinero. Blocked and read well. That is still alive. Almaceda, Di Makulangan, running hit to Morales. And that goes outside. Well, I thought that was actually not over, but of course our referees, they have a better angle.
That was a good floor defense from Signal. Akala mo patay na yung bola, nabubuhay pa rin nila.
So Higpit will go to Anderson, and now she pulls off that quick running pin.
Nicely done by Anderson. Look at that replay. She goes up for that running hit. Single blocker. Why is that? Kasi na-trick nila ang blockers ng RC Cola. Linda Morales did not even move for that play.
Di Makulangan. Goes to McClinton. Usher picks it up. Great play from Higpit. Well read though by Di Makulangan. Linda Morales goes for the 1-2 attack. Higpit again with the running play. Di Makulangan is there again. Caballejo to Cases, but Anderson just all over that ball.
Anderson knew that the ball was going to give to Cases. The ball was going to be given to Cases. Kaya nandun siya. Naganda siya for that.
The blocking department is working very well for Signal. 3 points away from bagging this match. Caballejo. That running play by Linda Morales, and Linda just targeting the hands of the blockers.
Napaka-powerful nung hit ni Linda Morales. Walang nagawa yung blocker ng Signal.
And the third down for Arcibona from Puerto Rico, Linda Morales.
Linda Morales targets Vivas, and a very smart move from Higpit.
Something that she doesn't do all the time. Kaya nakakagulat when she does it. Nicely done.
And she read the defense very well, knowing that there wasn't anybody in zones 5 and 6.
From Arkansas.
And Anderson targets Linda Morales. Di Makulangan to Cases down the line, but dug up by Vivas. Higpit will go back to Gallinero, but that hits the antenna. An automatic point for RC Cola.
That ball goes to Arsenal.
Slowly but surely, no, Arsicola lumalapit sa puntos ng signal. And you can see the frustration on Coach Sammy's face.
Joy, up to spikers. Dala, spiker. Joy, pasok mo lang yung service mo.
Hey, Mig, B. Mig, B. Dito, di ba utility ka? Dito ka kangin. Okay. Dito lang siya. Kaya. And Ariel, where are you going to? Back row. Middle. Left. Okay, okay. Huwag kayo magsigurado dyan. Kayang habulin yan, okay?
Awesome!
Emphatically, no? Si Coach Sammy running that play with them and saying na, you know, kayo magre-relax dyan, kailangan tapusin na to.
You always have to be confident that the other, not just with yourselves, but also with the other team. Never underestimate the other team, and complacency will be like a bullet to their foot, or like shooting their foot kung nanihan na sila doon.
Correct.
Arsicola 17, Signal 23. Serving out for
Natin
Arsicola.
kung mapapanindigan nga doon ang signal. Si Joy Casas gets ready to serve. She finds a target. At Janela, higpit, goes back to Usher.
Casas was there. She decided to get that ball. Kasi tamang pwesto siya. Kaya pinatras niya yung arms niya eh. So sayang na off the arm tuloy.
Gusto ko yung parehas tayo ng reaction. Nagulat din tayo why she got that, no? Nevertheless, set point for a signal. Vallejo, they will go back to McClendon. That was saved by Balmaceda. Higpit, aerial Usher, blocked. Good coverage from Caballejo. That was low but adjusted. And aerial Usher just hammering it
And congratulations to
on the hands of Jaya Pangulanan.
And that's it. Signal wins this match 25-17.